It's in every pantry. It costs almost nothing, and you probably only use it for two things. In India, we call it Mitha Soda or Kanwala soda. Scientifically, it's sodium bicarbonate. But today, we aren't talking about chemistry class. We're talking about the 10 life-changing ways. This white powder can save you time and money. Let's dive in. First, let's talk food. We've all been there, forgetting to soak the chana or rajma overnight. Instead of a dozen pressure cooker whistles, just add half a teaspoon of Mitha Soda. It raises the pH of the water, softening the legumes in record time. But wait, there's more. Want your onions to caramelize for that perfect gravy in 5 minutes instead of 20? A tiny pinch of soda speeds up the Maillard reaction. And for the fluffiest daklas or bacheras, the soda reacts with acid to create carbon dioxide bubbles, giving you that airy texture we all love. Now, let's step away from the stove. Most kitchen cleaners are packed with harsh chemicals. Mitha Soda is a mild abrasive and a natural degreaser. Mix it with a little water to make a paste. Apply it to those stubborn burnt marks on your chai pan or your greasy chimney filters. Let it sit for 10 minutes, and the grime wipes right off. Also, a tip for your health. Research shows that soaking fruits and vegetables in a baking soda solution for 12 to 15 minutes removes significantly more pesticide residue than plain tap water. It's the simplest way to keep your family safe. Does your fridge have a mixed food smell? Don't use a room freshener near your food. Just place an open box of Mitha Soda in the corner. Unlike perfumes that mask smells, soda chemically neutralizes them. This works for your shoes, too. Sprinkle a little inside smelly sneakers overnight. Shake them out in the morning, and the odor is gone. Quick warning, don't confuse Mitha Soda with baking powder. Baking powder is soda plus an acid. Mitha Soda is pure power. It needs something acidic like lemon, curd, or vinegar to activate. Also, while it's great for cleaning, don't use it on your face or hair too often, as it can disrupt your natural pH balance. Use it smart, and it's the best $5 you'll ever spend. Which of these hacks surprised you the most? Drop a comment below, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more household secrets.